Hey guys, Brian and Jeff with Wrenches and Rides, and we're sitting in our new Polaris Turbo S4 project car. We're installing a new Assault Industries Bomber Convex center mirror, and that got us talking a little bit about what is the first mirror that you'd want to put in your side-by-side if you didn't have any other mirrors.
And with us having three of the major brands being Polaris, Can-Am, Arctic Cat, I personally think the most important mirror is this one right here.
And we've made the mistake the first time that we were in our machines and we thought side mirrors were going to be the ticket. And they vibrate and rattle around a little bit more if you don't get the right ones.
But they don't give you the visibility that you do on that.
Nor do they give you the option usually just to flip it up at night. If you have a car running behind you and you have lights, and you're like, dude, I don't need to see it. Flip it up, get it out of the way, and move on. Now, this Assault Industries one is all set up so you can mount it to your particular car. They'll send you with all the mounting equipment that you need. Simple to put into place, and it is completely adjustable as far as tension, so you can move it around and tighten it down where you want it, but still allow you to flip it up and go out of the way.
And with the bracketry that comes with it, you can mount it in many different angles, positions. We mounted it kind of up higher out of the way, and you can still read perfectly on the front.
Yeah, they do have some cool lettering, the CNC machining in here. And this is a convex mirror, so when you're driving around, in some ways you can see yourself and you can see your passenger in it. You can also see beyond the outside of yourself and around the machine more in the back. Now the factory Can-Am X3 mirror is more of a flat mirror where you don't get to see as much around. I like this a little bit better.
Yes, but going back to that most important mirror in the machine.
It is, definitely. With that said, we do have on all of our other machines rear view mirrors, and Assault Industries does make a bomber style mirror, which we have on our Project Can-Am X3, and those installed exactly the same way that this does.
Same exact mounting bracket, and they give you more visibility. Still not as much as the center one, but it gives you more angles.
And on the Polaris Turbo S, the cage allows you to mount a mirror right up tight, so you can see it just off your left hand on the steering wheel. You're gonna have a nice mirror, but it's gonna give you a perfectly clear view of the cage and your shoulder.
Right.
You almost need towing mirrors on this guy.
Push them out.
Push out. But we're gonna probably move on to some mirrors on this machine. We may mount them up higher. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do, but we gotta get out and do some testing with this. If you're looking for a mirror, or if you're looking for a little bit more visibility in your machine, rear view is where it's at. Now the Can-Am, if you have a tire carrier back there, a rear camera is where it's at. But at least with this Polaris, we're gonna put a spare tire carrier in the back. It's not even gonna affect our visibility. In this case, this is all where it's at. Assault Industries makes a really good product here, and it shows in its construction and in the package that it ships in. So we appreciate your time watching our video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Give us a like in this video. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.